Bank of Baroda Jorhat region ki makhada ngasi Sarala Mansion first floor Thangal Bazar da Bank of Baroda Imphal branch ki anoba office building ama Jonel Head Northeast State Zone ki general manager Sonam Tibutia na ribbon kaktuna amuk nauna hangdokre Tharamaduda Jorhat region ki regional head Vivek Das PDA Manipur ki secretary Koizam Gyaneswar DIG Range 2 Manipur Jogesh Chandra Haubizam IPS Research and Development Cell MU ki Director Professor CH Iwohal Maitai Amadi Bank of Baroda Imphal Branch ki Chief Manager Nejolata Haubizam na chingbana mitung lensing oina saruk yakhi Tharamaduga mari lainana Jonel Head Northeast State Zone Sonam Tibutia na haikibada ngasi nauna amuk hangdokliba Imphal Branch asina maru oina customer singi khudong chaba oibata natana business tawriba miyoi sing Kaitel famliba sing yauna tongan ba hiram kayada kaitelda mathau tawriba singda kanaba piba ngamlagani amadi account holders singda mobile banking net banking tongan ba loan product na chingbada khudong chaba kayasu pihalagani haiki Tharamaduga mari lainana chief manager Nejolata Haubizam na haikibada Bank of Baroda Imphal branch asi 1976 ta linkhatkibani masigi matungdagi hanbal laitana miyamgi damak banki khudong chaba piduna lakli makhata nasu customers singi damak khudong chaba kaya pikhigani haiki
June 2025 will be the most remarkable and memorable day in the history of Bank of Baroda for our state, Manipur. Because this branch, Imphal branch, being the main branch of Bank of Baroda, which was opened in the year 1976 December, after a span of almost 49 years, now the branch has got its new home, its new house, and now we are here all assembled here for the inauguration of the new premises. Ladies and gentlemen, this would have never ever been possible without the support, the cooperation and the approval from our respected General Manager Sri T. Sonam Bhutia and our respected RMC Vivek Das sir. So ladies and gentlemen,